I'm gone. Nah, show you guys an epic way to make a soft cheese and salad sandwich. This is one of my favorite sandwiches. I used to eat it all the time when I was a kid, and recently I've been craving it so bad. So let's just jump right into it. We're gone. Nah. Start by making the salad. Just throw a bunch of lettuce in a bowl, whatever kind you like. I usually go for romaine or butter lettuce. Then we're gone. Nah. Dice up some cucumber. I usually just peel it first, but you don't have to. Then we'll throw that in the bowl. Then we're gone. Nah, get a nice ripe avocado. Slice that up and throw that in the bowl. Then we're gonna get our cherry tomatoes, slice those in half, and throw those in the bowl. And then we're gone. Nah, get a nice big chunk of red onion. Now, if you don't like red onion, you can always use green onion, but I love the sharpness that red onion gives you, so I'm just gone. Nah, dice that up and throw that in the bowl. And then I like to throw in some sort of seed, like a sunflower seed or a pumpkin seed. It adds a really nice crunch and some protein as well. And lastly, I like to add a tablespoon or two of capers. It adds a nice salty, briny flavor. And then we're just gone. Nah, toss that all together and set it off to the side. Now, while that's chillin', we're gone. Nah, move on to the cheese. The key to this recipe is using a really nice soft cheese like a brie or a camembert. It should be at room temperature, so it's nice and spreadable. So I just took this out of the fridge about 30 minutes ago. It's still a little bit too cold, but we're gone. Nah, let it sit out until I finish making the sandwich. Now we're gone. Now get some good quality bread. A nice crusty sourdough works really well. And I'm just gone. Nah, cut to slices and lay them out on my cutting board. Then I'm gone. Nah, get some mayo. Nah, you could use any mayonnaise you want. I usually go for a good quality brand, but sometimes I'll go for a vegan mayo. And I'm just gone. Nah, spread some on both slices of bread. Then I'm gone. Nah, put one slice of cheese on one of the slices of bread. And then I'm just gone. Nah, put the other slice of cheese on top of the other slice of bread. Then we re-gone. Nah, put the salad on top of the cheese. And then we re-gone. Nah, put another layer of cheese on top of the salad. And then I like to put some sort of pickled onions on top. It adds a nice tangy flavor. And then I'm just gone. Nah, put the top piece of bread on top of that. Now you could eat it just like this, but I like to take it one step further. I like to go for a nice thick slice of tomato, and I am just gone. Nah. Toast this on top of my stove. Once it starts getting a little toasty, I am gone. Nah. Put the sandwich on top of it, and then I am gone. Nah. Put a cast iron pan on top of the sandwich, and then I'm just gonna put the whole thing on my grill. Now this is optional. You don't have to grill it, but I like to grill it because it adds a nice smoky flavor. And then once I feel like it's grilled on one side, I'm gone. Nah, flip it and then I am gone. Nah, put the tomato on the other side of the sandwich, and then I am just gone. Nah, grill it some more. Now this doesn't take long. We're just trying to get a little char on it. And then once I feel like it's all good, I am gone. Nah, bring it inside. And then I'm gone. Nah, cut it in half. And then I'm gone. Nah, serve it up. And that right there is an epic soft cheese and salad sandwich.